family. Like 2 weeks ago, while the sermon was going on, Prophet was talking about death, all stuff of things. But I'm a kind of person that I don't, when they talk of death, I don't see to it. But I want to bless the name of God for what he did in my life. I traveled down to Ife on Wednesday, 2 Wednesdays ago. While I was coming back, nothing happened on the road. But immediately when I got home, I discovered I was not feeling okay. I was like, it's normal, maybe stress of things like that. But during the midnight, it was something else entirely. My children, my wife, all of them, they busted into tears that, on that day, I was like, so this guy is very important like this. Because when I saw them crying, I was like, why are you crying?
Daddy Vera.
Of course, I don't know. But I really want to bless the name of God. They called Prophet on that night that Vera was like, Daddy, pray for my daddy. My daddy is about to go, things like that. I was like, going where? I'm going nowhere because I still have a lot of things to do. I really want to bless the name of God. Although early in the morning I went to the hospital, but I believe before I got to that hospital, God has already taken control. He has done it. I really bless the name of God because what happened to me, what happened to some people is not even up to that. And just go and check it. You just see obituary. But I bless the name of God that I'm still standing in the midst of the people not in the mortuary today. Praise God.
Yeah.